Have you ever wondered how to motivate the kids in your Sunday school, Good News Club, or Awana to follow instructions? I'm Nathan with Kids Enjoying Jesus, and today I want to show you a behavior incentive that is literally to die for. I've been in full-time children's ministry since I was a teenager, so I'm always looking for new ways to motivate the kids I teach to follow the instructions, and one fun way to do this is with dice. I got these foam dice at the dollar store. You can also buy them at teacher stores or even find larger ones online. Yeah, this is super cool. Kids really love this. And there's a couple different games you can play with them to help kids want to pay attention. So the way this works is you show the kids the dice at the beginning of your Sunday school class, Good News Club, or whatever it is you're teaching, and tell them, I brought these to help us have fun following instructions. I'm going to be watching the whole time today to see who's on a roll following our rules. If you're sitting up, zipping up, looking up, handing up, listening up, all those great things really fantastically well, you might get to come up here, roll the dice to see how many points you can get for your team. So you can either have all the kids play as one big team, or divide the kids into two teams and let them compete to see who can get the most points rolled, or you can play kids versus teachers, where if the kids are doing a really great job following the instructions, a kid comes up and rolls the dice to see how many points the kids get. But if the kids aren't following the instructions, the teacher rolls the dice to see how many points the teacher gets. And if the teacher has more points than the kids at the end, the teacher wins. Then all you've got to do is watch the kids throughout the class to see people who are doing a really great job following instructions and let those kids roll the dice. So you might say, Josephine, I saw you doing a really great job following along during that song. You're on a roll. Come on up here and roll this to see how many points you can get for your team. Oh, great. You got 5 points. So add that to the 6 you had before. You guys got 11 points for your team. Or Luke, great job remembering to raise your hand. You're on a roll. Come up here and roll the dice to get some points for your team. Eduardo, really good job remembering to sit up straight and keep your hands to yourself. You're on a roll. Come up here and roll the dice. So just watch throughout your entire class. If you can't multitask and watch for kids obeying rules while you're teaching the Bible lesson or memory verse, ask another volunteer to sit in your class and do it for you. You may have noticed that my dice have different colored spots. They didn't come that way. I took a Sharpie and colored them in so I could play another version of this game, especially with older kids. I showed them the dice at the beginning and tell them, you guys get to roll for points today by rolling the dice to see how many points you can get when you're really doing a great job following instructions for your team. Except you're not going to get the points that you see on the dice. Instead of going with the numbers, we're going with the colors. Every color on the dice is worth a different number of points. But I'm not telling you which color each one is worth until the end of our class when I reveal how many points each color was worth, and we'll add them up to see which team won. This adds a level of mystery and fun that older kids really find exciting. That's all there is to it. Now you're ready to give this game a roll the next time you teach kids. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with your friends, because if you don't, I might die. Just kidding, get it? Die, I might die. I'm not really gonna die. It's a die. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please check out our website, kidsenjoyingjesus.com, where you'll find more ideas to help you share the love and joy of Jesus with kids.